How to clear cache in Botim app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in iPhone, there is not direct clear cache option available in apps, but there is another way. You need to head over to your iPhone settings and then you need to go to General, then tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and search for Botim app. So tap on it and you can see offload app option. Tap on it. So offloading Botim will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So after offloading the app, you'll need to reinstall it again. So while reinstalling it, Botim will clear all the cache and then update to the latest version. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.